Think of Power BI roles like seats in a theater. Some get front row access, others just watch. Knowing your role ensures you're making the most of your workspace. Whether you're running the show or observing from the sidelines, each role plays a crucial part in collaboration. Let's break it down so you don't accidentally end up in the wrong seat. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Welcome to the Power BI Workspace, the digital meeting room where data magic happens. It's where reports, dashboards, and datasets live happily together. But like any shared space, access and permissions matter. Stick with me and we'll make sure you know who's allowed to enter which doors. Imagine if anyone could edit your masterpiece Power BI report. Chaos, right? Roles are like security guards, ensuring only the right people can make changes. When assigned correctly, they foster teamwork instead of causing confusion. Let's see how they keep your workspace running smoothly. Roles in Power BI are like a cast in a movie. Each one plays a different part. The administrator is the director, the member crafts the scenes, the contributor helps coordinate, and the viewer enjoys the final cut. Knowing your role makes teamwork effortless. Let's meet the stars. All right, folks, welcome to the world of workspace settings. Think of this as the control center of your operations. Mess it up, and you might unintentionally give an intern admin privileges. But fear not. We'll walk through locating these settings, understanding the options, making sure everything follows company policies, and of course, keeping it all tidy with regular updates. Now imagine a world where everyone had the same role. Chaos, right? That's why checking role assignments is crucial. We'll see how to access the role management section, verify who's responsible for what, make sure permissions are handed out wisely, and tweak roles when necessary. Because let's be honest, sometimes people need a little less power or maybe a little more. Reports and dashboards, two powerful tools, but who gets to see what? This isn't just a matter of convenience, it's about security. We'll cover the differences in access, assigning permissions wisely, keeping data confidential, and adjusting settings when needed. Because no one wants a junior analyst accidentally deleting the CEO's strategic report. Managing workspace access is like hosting a party. You need to know who's invited, who's crashing, and who's eating all the snacks. Here we'll talk about identifying authorized users, handling access permissions, keeping an eye on workspace usage, and making sure security policies are followed. Because we all know one person who clicks every suspicious link in an email. Roles and permissions aren't set in stone, they evolve. We'll review current roles, assess whether changes are necessary, implement adjustments carefully, and most importantly, inform people about the updates. Nobody likes logging in only to find out they can no longer access their own projects. Best practices, because managing roles should be a well-oiled machine, not a chaotic free-for-all. We'll focus on defining clear responsibilities, conducting audits, avoiding excessive permissions, because no one needs access to everything, and ensuring everyone knows what's expected. After all, knowledge is power, but unchecked power is a disaster. Role visibility issues, like when someone insists they should have access but reality says otherwise. We'll identify common problems, resolve conflicts, utilize audit logs to track changes, and if all else fails, call in the IT cavalry. Because sometimes, despite our best efforts, technology just likes to mess with us. So we've covered a lot: workspace settings, role assignments, permissions, troubleshooting, and best practices. The takeaway: a correct role management prevents chaos and ensures efficiency. Keep monitoring, updating, and learnings. And of course, never assume that admin access is just an honorary title. it comes with serious responsibility. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.